Alright, let's talk about travel gadgets that are absolute game changers in 2025. Welcome to Ned Voyage. First up, we've got this insane backpack with built-in charging ports. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Imagine you're running through the airport, your phone's about to die, and boom, you've got a portable charger right in your bag. It's mind-blowing how convenient this is. But here's the thing, it's not just about charging. These backpacks, like the Nomadic Smart Backpack, are designed with multiple compartments, making organization a breeze. Now, let's shift gears to something that's changed my travel experience forever: noise-canceling headphones. You know when you're on a long-haul flight and there's a crying baby 3 rows back? Yeah, these bad boys will be your best friend. The technology in these headphones, like the Sony WH-1000XM5, is insane. They don't just block out noise, they create this bubble of tranquility around you. It's like, you're in your own little world, even in the middle of a busy airport or a packed plane. While the backpack keeps you powered up, these headphones keep you sane. Together, they're the ultimate travel combo. If you like this content, subscribe to Ned Voyage for more intriguing travel content.